If you're still dragging around your entire vacuum just to clean out your car, you should probably rethink that. Having something smaller and compact that you could just keep in your car whenever you need it is way more efficient than carrying around a whole vacuum. This one has a high suction power and a low suction power. I also love that it can get in these tiny little places that we can't reach. So make keeping your car clean just a little bit easier on you.